Hi, Siso!
Hi, bro!
What are you doing up there?
Well, I found this neat little castle and I found a door. I tried to open it.
It's not open, is it?
No, should I try the secret knock?
Go on. I don't think there's anyone home.
Oh, just a half about.
We'll just wander around then. Let's go.
This looks really cool. Come up here.
So here we are at... Here we are at Grow! Actually, that's good, that's good. Actually, we can do that forced perspective thing. There we go. I've got to come back a bit. And you stay there, you see. And then we're the same height. There you go. So,
Awesome.
this was built by
Henry
Henry
II.
II. In what year?
1163 to 1173, or it might have been 65 to 73.
Okay, do you know what? That seems like that you just knew that off the top of your head and weren't reading it just off camera.
I know, right?
You've done your research.
I
like a
did
minute
do my
ago.
research, like 1165 and 1173 to keep powerful local barons, especially Hugh Becket of nearby Framlingham Castle, under control.
Okay, so it said there was, what was it, some walls flanking the castle.
So originally there were curtain wall towers
That's it.
and a gatehouse around it, but these over the centuries have disappeared.
Yeah, see.
And this is what's left.
I wondered, because we're on like a little raised bit here, and I wondered if that was part of that
Yeah, 'cause we don't
curtain
know.
wall. Let's walk over here. It's got lots of dips and dives and ridges over there. I wonder from above if I will see. Do you think that was a moat?
I think that was the moat.
Could have been.
Did it have a moat?
Castles do, don't they?
Doesn't say. The castle cost £1,413 to build
In 1170.
in the
Ah.
1100s.
I'm gonna do a calculation online and see what that cost in today's money when I do this bit of the video.
That's amazing.
Right, now it's pretty blustery. So,
Another blustery day.
yeah,
Day.
so I'm hoping I don't lose the drone, but I'm gonna give it a go. I didn't fly down by the quay because that was really blustery, and water and drones don't mix. At least if it crashed over here somewhere, I'm gonna be able to find it easier. Hey Siso,
Hi, bro.
last stop of the day.
Last stop of the
We're at
day. 'cause
Broome,
we're
aren't we?
hungry. Bungie?
Bungay, not Broome, not far from Broome. Bungay, yes, we're at Bungay.
Ish.
And we're having our last meal of the weekend. I got a minced beef hot pot. Now it doesn't look as appetizing in there, but it does actually, it's all right. Not a great lover of potato, but it's okay. And you have,
Chicken tikka masala.
and it's very nice.
It is very nice and creamy.
Yeah, so that was yours, was just a heat in the pan. Mine was add water and leave for 10 minutes, and it's done all right. So I think that's a good end. Oh yeah, got me last beer as well. So, and Pepsi Max. So,
Are we allowed to do that? Is that advertising?
I don't care. If you want to buy it, buy it. If you like it, you like it. If you like beer, drink it. But drink responsibly. So, right. So that's it for us for the day.
Yeah.
And not far from home.
Not far from home.
And
Feet are hurting.
we'll see you in the next one, hopefully.
Yeah. Don't know when that'll be. Watch this space.
It might be a few weeks because you've got a grandchild on the way,
I have.
which you'll need help with. And so we are going to be, we're going to have a little rest.
Yes. Need it after this one. And clean out because that tent inside is yuck.
It needs cleaning inside the annex and airing out as you have to.
But we've got a heat wave coming next week, so
Yes.
fabulous.
Yeah, pity we didn't have the heat wave this weekend.
Well,
But we made it.
we made it.
Yeah.
Right, over and out.